forward like this because that other way was, oh, I don't know what it was doing for me, but it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. But anyways, hey everyone, how's everyone doing? So I'm kind of excited because this is now my third video for 31 days of how to. I know the first two videos I sounded a mess. I sound a little, and that's because I really was nervous. I didn't know what to talk about. Well, I did know what to talk about, but I was nervous, so it was making me sound like I didn't know what I was talking about. But for the rest of the month, just stay tuned. There's gonna be so much coming to y'all, like y'all do not know. I'm just ready to jump into these festive hairstyles. I love this season. It's my favorite season. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by combing through her hair. I mean, obviously I wouldn't comb my client's hair like this, but this is a wig, so we gonna cut her hair like this, okay? This was supposed to be one of them asymmetrical wigs, y'all. So that's why this joint looks like this, okay? And it's been in the box for a couple months now. I haven't even wore this wig in this style, actually. Oops, drop. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to do this. I don't know why it's such a... I must have had some curls or something, because why is it? They're both right there. But anyways, we're not gonna focus on that, because today we are here to do some knotless braids on this wig, okay? So I'm just gonna teach you guys the basic steps. You know, the basic steps to do the knotless braid. So, first of all, I want to apologize because I don't have a mannequin. I don't know where all my mannequins went. Well, I know that I gave them to my sister, but I don't know where they went because she don't even got them. But we're going to start off by parting Alright, so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get that part. And so let's see here. I'm just going to part it about right here. Right before the tracks gets to showing. I'm gonna go ahead and comb the rest of this section. I'm gonna go ahead and comb that back and then clip that up. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and lift sis head up real quick because we're going to use a little bit of our product. I don't use this product. I don't typically use this, but it's the only thing that I have at home, and look, there's barely even any in there. So what I usually use is my Shine and Jam. I love Shine and Jam, and my edge controls as well. Like I said, we're just going to take this, we're going to clip all of this into a clip over there. So for these braids, I did go ahead and decide to do a festive idea. So I did go with red and green for Christmas, because yes, that is the season that we are in. So once again, you do want to get that product in there. And then you are going to separate in threes. It don't matter how you separate the three, as long as they are separated. Okay. So I have my 3 sections. Okay. And then if you just see the placement of it, this middle strand is at the bottom. See? I'm gonna start by taking this front piece and putting it under the middle piece. Okay? Just like that. And make sure you have a nice and tight grip, because you don't want no lumps and bumps in your braids. Okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and take my braiding hair. I'm gonna start off with the green, just because it has that black ombre effect. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this braiding hair, make sure it's like this between my 2 fingers. Then I'm gonna slide it. I'm going to, because I'm gonna make sure y'all can see this. I'm gonna slide it right between these 2 fingers. See, I'm just gonna slide it right there. So I just went and I just, oops, oh, my finger, I got a hangnail, y'all, oh Lord. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this hair and just slide it right there in between. So now, this is where it gets tricky, because some people, I don't know if they don't know how to tug or they just don't prefer to tug it, whatever the case may be, but you see her hair is already a magenta color. You don't want that at the top of the black. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this behind the braiding hair, just like that. Then you're gonna grab this other 3rd piece right here. Make sure that this hair stays behind the braiding hair. Okay, just gonna pull that down. Now you see this piece should be left alone, right? You got 2 strands of hair with braiding hair, 1 without. So what I'm gonna do for this braid, what I'm gonna do for this section, I'm gonna take, okay, about this much. It doesn't need to be a super huge section. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that right in between. You see the hair and the weave is right there. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this under the braiding hair as well. So I'm gonna say just another little small section in here, and just add it right there. Oh yes, y'all, look at the Christmas colors. Okay, so as you guys can see, I now have me a knotless braid. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Just beautiful. Now don't mind all this extra stuff because I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Just keep watching. So, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and start showing you guys how to get rid of all of this ugly mess, like all this. We don't want that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and you're going to just cut it right off. Okay?